हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योर ओन क्लास। आज मैं अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन का एक नया टॉपिक इफेक्ट ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट ट्रांजैक्शन ऑन अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन पढ़ा रही हूँ। ध्यान से सुनिएगा। आई टॉक अबाउट द एक्सपेंस। Here I can bifurcate the expense into the outstanding expense and prepaid expense. For the outstanding expense is one which is incurred but not paid. The prepaid expense is one which is paid in advance. It is related to the current year and it is not related to the current year. Treatment of outstanding expense in accounting equation is we deducted it from the capital as an expense. As we studied earlier that all the expenses are deducted from the capital and also treated as the liability. In liability, we opened a one had outstanding expense. Now for the prepaid expense, we deducted it from the cash. And also treated as an asset. Mentioned in a head of prepaid expense. What about the income? Accrued income and unearned income. The accrued income is one which is earned but not received in the current year. The unearned income is one which is received in advance but not earned. Now we will discuss about the treatment of accrued and unearned income in accounting equation. The accrued income is added to the capital as an income and treated as an asset. So for this, we opened a new head in the asset side as an accrued income. For unearned income, we added it into the cash. And treated as an liability. We opened a head named as unearned income in liability side. I think this concept is clear now. Now take a one question of these four transactions. As you see, students, there is one question for you. Capital introduced in the business. We mention it into the cash and capital. 1 lakh rupees. And in capital also the amount is 1 lakh rupees. Prepaid expenses. The treatment for the prepaid expenses is it is deducted from the cash. And prepaid expense is an asset. So we opened one head as a prepaid expense in the asset side. And amount is 20,000 rupees. After the second transaction, the new equation is the cash is 80,000. The asset of prepaid expense is 20,000 equals to the liability is 0 and the capital is 1 lakh rupees. For accrued income, we added it into the capital because it is the income of the current year, and we opened a head in the asset side as accrued income. Now the new equation is 80,000 in the cash account, 20,000 in the prepaid expense account, 10,000 in the accrued income account, 0 in the liability, and the capital is 1,10,000 rupees. The next transaction is outstanding expense. It will be deducted from the capital as an expense and treated as a liability, and we open a head named outstanding expense account. ₹5,000. Here the cash is 0. The prepaid expense is 0 for this transaction. The accrued income is also 0. And the new equation is 80,000 rupees is cash, 20,000 rupees is prepaid expense, and 10,000 rupees is accrued income, 5,000 rupees is an liability, and 1,05,000 rupees is an capital. Always in accounting equation, the total of asset is always equals to liability plus capital, because our mathematical equation says that asset equals to liability plus capital. Here asset is 80,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000, that is 1,10,000, and the liability plus capital is also 1,10,000. Our answer is tallied, so it is correct. The next video on accounting equation coming soon. Keep watching the video.